Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something really exciting for you. We're going to uncover some secret car features that you probably don't know about, but once you do, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. These are pro tips that can make your driving experience smoother, safer, and even more fun. So buckle up and let's dive into these hidden gems. First things first, I want to mention that these features come from various car models, and while some might be specific to certain brands, many are common across different vehicles. So even if I mention a particular car, check if your car has something similar. Alright, let's start with feature number 1. Feature 1. Fuel Gauge Arrow. Have you ever pulled up to a gas station and forgotten which side your fuel filler is on? It happens to the best of us, especially if you're driving a rental or a new car. Well, there's a simple solution right on your dashboard. Look at your fuel gauge next to the little gas pump icon. There's a small arrow. That arrow points to the side where your fuel filler is located. So, if the arrow is pointing left, your fuel filler is on the left side, and vice versa. It's a tiny detail, but it can save you a lot of hassle and embarrassment at the pump. Feature 2. Curry Hook. Next up is something called the curry hook. Now, you might be thinking, what does curry have to do with my car? Well, the curry hook is actually a small hook found in many cars, usually near the front passenger seat or in the trunk. It's designed to hold shopping bags, handbags, or even takeout food, hence the name curry hook, as it became popular for hanging takeaway bags. This little hook keeps your bags secure and prevents them from spilling their contents all over your car. So, next time you're bringing home groceries or dinner, look for that hook and use it to keep things tidy. Feature 3. Umbrella in the door. Speaking of convenience, some cars come with a built-in umbrella holder. Yes, you heard that right. Brands like Skoda and Rolls-Royce have a special compartment in the driver's door where you can store an umbrella. It's perfect for those unexpected rainy days when you need to stay dry. No more fumbling around for an umbrella in the trunk or getting wet while trying to retrieve it. Just open the door, grab your umbrella, and you're good to go. It's a small luxury that makes a big difference. Feature 4. Honda Magic Seats. Now, let's talk about cargo space. If you own a Honda, you might be familiar with their Magic Seats. These are found in models like the Honda Civic and Honda Jazz. The magic part is that the back seats can fold up, creating additional load space for tall items. So, if you need to transport something like a plant or a bicycle, you can flip up the seat base and have more vertical space. It's incredibly versatile and makes the most out of your car's interior. Feature 5. BMW Brake Drying. Safety is paramount, and some cars have features that enhance it in ways you might not expect. For example, BMW has a brake drying system. When the rain sensor detects moisture, the system lightly applies the brakes periodically to keep them dry. This ensures that your brakes perform optimally, even in wet conditions, reducing the risk of longer stopping distances. It's a behind-the-scenes feature that works to keep you safe without you even noticing. Feature 6. Nissan Easy Fill Tire Alert. Maintaining proper tire pressure is crucial for safety and fuel efficiency, but it can be a hassle to get it just right. Nissan has a clever solution called the Easy Fill Tire Alert. When you're inflating your tires, the car will honk the horn and flash the lights when you've reached the ideal pressure. No more guessing or checking with a gauge multiple times. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure your tires are always properly inflated. Feature 7. Signal Change Warning, Subaru. Another safety feature comes from Subaru with their eyesight system. One part of this system is the signal change warning. If you're stopped at a red light and the light turns green, but you don't notice because you're distracted, the car will beep to alert you that traffic is starting to move. This can help prevent rear-end collisions caused by inattentive drivers. It's like having an extra set of eyes on the road. Feature 8. Built-in Hidden Vacuum, Honda Odyssey. For those with families or messy passengers, keeping the car clean can be a challenge. The Honda Odyssey has a solution, a built-in vacuum cleaner. Located in the trunk, it has a long hose that can reach every corner of the car. So, whether it's crumbs from snacks or dirt from shoes, you can quickly clean it up without needing to find a vacuum at home or a gas station. It's a game changer for maintaining a tidy interior. Feature 9. Hidden storage compartments. Many cars have hidden storage compartments that are perfect for stowing away valuables or emergency items. These can be under the seats, in the trunk, or even behind panels. For example, some SUVs have compartments under the floor of the cargo area, while others have secret drawers in the center console. Take a moment to explore your car. You might find some extra space you didn't know about. Feature 10. Conversation mirror. If you have kids, you'll appreciate the conversation mirror found in many minivans and SUVs. It's a convex mirror located above the rearview mirror that allows you to see the back seat without turning around. This way, you can keep an eye on your little ones while driving, ensuring they're safe and behaving. It's a simple feature that provides peace of mind. Feature 11. Toyota's Glass of Water mode. Now, for something a bit more fun. Some Toyota models have a feature called Glass of Water mode. Inspired by the anime series Initial D, where drivers try to drive smoothly without spilling a glass of water, this mode rates your driving for smoothness and efficiency. It's more of a novelty, but it can encourage you to drive more carefully and improve your fuel economy. Feature 12. Mercedes automatic sunroof closure. Imagine you're parked with the sunroof open and it starts to rain. Normally, you'd have to rush back to close it, but in some Mercedes models, the sunroof will close automatically when it detects rain. This is thanks to the rain-sensing wipers, which trigger the sunroof to shut, keeping your interior dry. It's a thoughtful feature that saves you from potential water damage. Feature 13. Volkswagen ID7s Dry Boost Mode. Here's a feature for those unexpected downpours. The Volkswagen ID7 has a dry boost mode that turns the heated seats to maximum and blasts the heater to help dry your clothes. So, if you get caught in the rain and end up soaked, you can use this mode to warm up and dry off while driving. It's like having a personal dryer in your car. Feature 14. Audi A5s projected arrow for hands-free tailgate. Loading groceries or luggage with your hands full can be tricky, especially if your car has a hands-free tailgate. The Audi A5 makes it easier by projecting an arrow on the ground, showing you exactly where to place your foot to activate the tailgate. No more guessing or waving your foot around aimlessly. It's a small but helpful addition to the hands-free feature. Feature 15. Fingerprint sensors in cars. Lastly, let's talk about high-tech security. Some modern cars, like those from Hyundai, Genesis, and Mercedes, use fingerprint sensors for driver profiles and even to start the car without a physical key. This means you can unlock and start your car with just your fingerprint, adding an extra layer of security and convenience. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real and available now. Bonus: Easter eggs. Before I wrap up, I want to mention that many cars have fun little Easter eggs hidden in their designs. For example, the Hummer EV has a graphic of an asteroid destroying a Ford Raptor and a Ram TRX when you look at the infotainment screen. The Ram TRX has a T-Rex eating a Velociraptor under the hood, and the Ford F-150 Raptor has a Velociraptor stamp. These are just playful nods from the manufacturers and don't serve any practical purpose, but they're fun to discover. Conclusion. So, there you have 15 secret car features that you might not have known about, plus some bonus Easter eggs. From practical tools like the fuel gauge arrow and hidden storage, to fun features like the glass of water mode and Easter eggs, your car is full of surprises. I encourage you to take a closer look at your own vehicle. You might find some of these features or others that are unique to your model. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any secret features in your car that I didn't mention. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.